Hey, Facebook. Uh, normally I have a lot more jovial or uplifting vibe or a more positive outlook. And I'm not going to go into too much detail other than I've just I feel like I've been kicked in the teeth and then a couple other spots. So, there are no guarantees in life. And I posted a couple questions out there today on Facebook, obviously Facebook. Hey, Andrew. Hey, Chino. Um, about what would you do? How would you rebound if you lost your job? Or essentially, if you lost everything? Hey, Peggy. How would you rebound? And I got some answers. The typical stuff. Somebody said that they would reach out to their network and then they would just hustle, hustle, hustle. And then I also asked the question of if you are trading time for dollars, would your dollars ultimately be limited? And would you be at the mercy of someone else? And I got a lot of comments on that. And what's interesting is people's different takes. And a couple people were reading a lot more into it and getting finesse. And bottom line on that is, as long as you are reliant on one source of income, and that one source of income is from someone else. Hey, Kevin, you are at the mercy of that other person who's paying you. It doesn't matter. And I'm not talking about what's right or wrong or fair exchange. I'm just talking about if, let's say, one of you watching were to hire me, I'm at your mercy, essentially. Yes, I'm going to do a good job, and yes, I'm going to provide value and all of that other stuff that goes along with a fair exchange of value for money, because we all know that money follows value. But I'm at your mercy. You can decide to let me go at any given time. And we see a lot of that with corporate America. Now, it hasn't happened to me today, but someone very close to me, it happened to. And they're distraught because they thought that they were in a great place. They were happy where they were working, and they were told how awesome they were, like repeatedly. And this person was summarily just let go for no reason. And that is the challenge that we all face with corporate America. And this is not a dig at corporate America or working for someone else. We still need people to have jobs because companies still need employees for a lot of different things. So this isn't about that. What it is about is if you are solely reliant on just one source of income and you're trading your time for those dollars, you only have so many hours a day to trade. After that, you're done and you can't trade anymore. And yes, your salary can increase, the exchange rate can increase, yeah. But there's no guarantees. It's an illusion. Job security is an illusion that we've all bought into. And my heart goes out to these people who are laid off or let go for no reason of their own. And I'm here to tell you, working for someone else, yeah, continue to do a good job, continue to give them their due while you're there. But that is not the solution. Working multiple jobs only makes the challenge worse, because you're still trading your time for dollars. As long as that company needs you for that skill or that action, it doesn't change. If you own a business, you don't own a business. The business owns you. And as long as you don't have systems in place where it's generating income, hey Charles, where that system is generating income whether you're there or not, and whether it's generating income whether you roll over in bed or roll out of bed, you're in the same situation. So I'm pleading with you, if you have any interest at all, I mean, if you're okay being okay and you're okay with your current plan, this message isn't for you. I'm talking to you. Yeah, you, the one who is not happy with your current plan, the one who doesn't have your retirement all lined up, the one who doesn't have a savings to speak of, the one who, if you lost it all today, you would be up shit creek without a paddle, without a boat. Forget the paddle. You don't even have a boat. I'm talking to you. There's another way. I can help you, or someone that you know who might be facing that. If you know someone who has looked at other options because they see the writing on the wall. I mean, if you're over 40, your time is getting shorter and shorter about how to rebound. So there's only one way to really maximize your time, your energy, and to build generational wealth, and that is through learning how to invest in real estate. Even if it's just one house a year that you can turn into a rental and use that property for anything, at the least a tax write-off, and you can will it to your children. You know, I know that some of you are trying to figure out how to invest in real estate on your own, and that's fine. You're going to the websites, the Bigger Pockets. Some of you maybe even gone to a couple of those seminar deals, and that's fine too. But if you're ready, if you're finally ready to take it seriously and learn all aspects of investing in real estate, not just the portion of one strategy, then reach out to me. I can help you. I can show you what I've been learning these last 3 years. Now, granted, I'm not where I want to be yet. I still got a long way to go. I'm still juggling a W-2 job and family and working this business. But I have an end goal in mind, and the light at the end of the tunnel is getting brighter. And I can help you with that too. If you're ready, I can help you. And that's it. What happened today really hit close to home, and it breaks my heart because I want to help people. But I can only help people who are ready and willing and able to allow me to help them. I can't want it more for you than you want it for yourself. It's that simple. But I'm here for you when you're ready. Fair enough? All right. Other than that, have an awesome, awesome Monday. I got a mastermind call to be on. And other than that, until next time, folks, stay spicy.